Happy holiday. It's your girl Candy K. All day. Bringing holiday cheer from me to you. Content magic to my candy crew. Shop talk season, pull up the seat. Ideas dropping, making channels complete. Thumbnails pop, CEO on the rise. We're cooking up wins, going live on the side. Let's all unite, sharing love on the way. Uplifting everyone, that's Candy K all day. Keep shining, keep climbing with Candy K all day.
This is Candy K's meal prep chicken bake. So I have here 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you have not delved into the world of that chicken thigh, you need to elevate your chicken experience. So I am intentionally cooking these in a foil pan. Why? Because easy cleanup, friends. I make no apologies to anybody for doing what I need to do to ensure I get a home-cooked meal in my belly. That part. So if you want to wash all the ovenware and stoneware, go right ahead. I'll be over here throwing this foil pan into the garbage after I eat all of these chicken thighs. So this is going to be several meals for me. It is 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I thawed earlier today. And then I soaked them in some vinegar and water. And then I rinsed them off, trimmed some of that fat, because chicken thighs are dark meat, so they're gonna have some fat on them. So I trimmed some of that fat off with my kitchen shears. I put them on a bed of frozen bell peppers and onions, and here's the rest of those frozen bell peppers that I need to get rid of, as you can see. And I topped everything with little pats of butter. And I'm using some of that Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, so that should make these taste really well. Here are my seasonings. It's that Trinity: black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and a little bit of Lowry's. Go really light on the Lowry's because it is full of sodium. And I did season them on both sides. And so I have onions and diced onions and bell peppers at the bottom of this dish. Then I put the chicken on top, seasoned both sides of the chicken, added some pats of butter so that when that melts down in there, that's going to really deepen the flavor, elevate the flavor even more of these delicious chicken thighs. And then topped with the rest of the onions and bell peppers. Now, if you don't like bell peppers, you don't have to go in like this. But bell peppers are high in fiber, low in calories, and high in flavor. Yes, they are. And I've got some onions in there too. Y'all, I'm just going to cook these on 350 until they're done. I'm going to start them covered, but then I will take my foil off of the top of this pan and finish cooking them so that they can get nice and brown. Yeah, they'll be in there for a little over an hour till they're done. Haven't decided if I'm going to add a little barbecue sauce to them or I don't know, but it's going to be some type of vegetable with this because I'm pushing high protein. Check, that's the chicken. Low carbs, so probably not rice. Chicken and rice does sound really good though. I might have some cauliflower rice though. Riced cauliflower, it's not rice at all, it's riced cauliflower. That's an option. Or I could just do some other type of vegetable and maybe add some barbecue sauce to this. But y'all, something tells me that this is going to be some kind of goodness in this pan. So we shall see. I'll report back. Baking at 350 until they're done. A little bit over an hour.
So I ended up adding some frozen peas and carrots to the boneless, skinless chicken thighs and just let them cook off in the juice and broth butter that I fixed the chicken thighs in when I baked them in this foil pan. And y'all, this is dinner. This is a multi-meal dinner. I had 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have 4 remaining, so this is at least 2 additional meals. Meal prep. Easy peasy.
So friends, this is not pretty, but it is high protein, low carbs, high fiber. This is cold also, so I am just meal prepping this is 2 meals, lunch or dinner, doesn't matter. And I'm pretty much at this point, y'all, eating 1 meal a day. I really need to focus on at least 2 meals a day to get enough protein in my diet each day to maximize my weight loss. Because if you don't eat enough protein, if you don't have enough calories in, then your body will just hold on to its existing weight. Instead of burning those calories off, it will hold on to them because you need calories, you need protein to build my muscles, keep them strong, all of that, especially when you're also trying to work out daily as well. So all of the things, y'all, I'm not a dietitian, but I know what the dietitian says, and she is right. She is absolutely right. So this is just baked chicken thighs because it has more flavor, better flavor to me. And then I added a package of frozen peas and carrots because it's what I had in the freezer. Y'all, it is what it is. When this is warmed, it is delicious. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. And so this is like 2 chicken thighs in each of these. So actually it's like 1.5. This is like a leftover one. So I have 1 whole one and about a half a thigh in each of these, plus the veggies. Here's to you making good eating choices. I know that I am. And a very special thank you to the founding members of Kendi K's crew. Check out Kendi K's crew by clicking the join button. All that's missing is you.